Well, hello everyone. Welcome to my kitchen. I like to improvise. And that's what I'm doing today. I'm improvising a recipe that I found in this cookbook, James Barber, the Urban Peasant. I actually met James at a book signing one time and he signed my book. So this recipe for baked apples includes stuffing the apples with a mixture of chopped walnuts, raisin, brown sugar, and a little bit of rye or bourbon. Then it says to put it in the microwave for 5 minutes. Well, I'm going to change that up. I'm not going to use the microwave. I'm going to use the oven. And as far as the raisins go, I have already soaked my raisins. These have been soaking in bourbon for about 3 days in my refrigerator. So I have these raisins soaked. So I have these bourbon soaked raisins. With my chopped walnuts, I've included a bit of this maple pecan crunch. It's like a granola, but you can use it for toppings and such, and it has a really nice maple flavor. So I thought that would be great with the apple and with the nuts stirred together. And instead of buttering my pan, I'm using a sheet of this just parchment paper cut in half. I'm just working on it, make sure I get out all the seeds. Now, if you have an apple corer, it would be a lot easier, but I don't like a whole lot of gadgets that I hardly ever use, so I'm using the knife. If you use a knife, be very careful that you don't cut yourself, because you don't want bloody baked apples. I'm just coring out the rest of the apple, just like this. So now all the seeds are out, and I'm going to do the same to this apple. So I've put in the butter first, and then I put in a little bit of brown sugar, and then when I put the raisins in, I really stuffed everything right down. And on the very top, I'm going to add the nuts. Push it right down in there. Here we go. Unfortunately, they all burnt on the top, and that's because I had put a little butter on the top before I put them in there, and then accidentally turned on the broiler. I'll know better next time, and let's see what they taste like. Despite the fact that the tops were burnt, still turned out really delicious. Now, why do I have this big bottle of bourbon when I don't even drink? It's a long story, and I'm not going to tell you that today, but I will be making some more recipes in the future incorporating this bourbon so that I can eventually use it all up. So if you like bourbon, whiskey, then stick around. There will be some more episodes.